Good morning, class 9th. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Okay, students, we get interacted at the time of our online class, but due to some net issues, we didn't continue our class further. So I have made this video to make my lecture clear of today's, and the topic is correct form of verb. Better, the exercise which we are going to solve today is about the verb. As you already know that verb is a action word which shows the action at that particular time. So in the questions it is required select the correct form of verb, and in front of your whiteboard there are 10 sentences written and 3 options are also given under the bracket. Out of these 3, one should be insert or one should be put in the empty blank. Now let's read the first sentence and then I'll explain you, and you have to think in your mind which will be the best option over here. She dash a letter to her cousin. The options are post, posting, post. Now 3 different words and the sentence is she dash a letter to her cousin. This is a simple affirmative positive sentence, or present, you can say simple present indefinite sentence. There is no auxiliary verb, no helping verb is there, only the subject is there and you have to put the correct form of verb. कोई इसमें helping verb मौजूद नहीं है. आपको क्या करना है, इन तीनों ऑप्शंस में से एक बेस्ट चूज करना है. क्या होगा बेटा? ऑब्वियसली पोस्टिंग नहीं होगा. वाई? बिकॉज पोस्टिंग इज डन in the continuous form. Whenever there is auxiliary or helping verbs is are there, then we should add ing. So beta, only simple post will come. थर्ड पर्सन ऑफ प्रोनाउन ही शी इट में हमेशा आप क्या लगाएंगे, जो वर्ब की फॉर्म लगाएंगे उसके साथ एस का एडिशन होगा. तो पहले का आंसर है शी पोस्ट, POSTF. द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नंबर सेकंड, दे आर डैश एग्स. आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, दे आर डैश एग्स. द वर्ब्स आर सेल्स, सोल्ड, selling. Now sold is the third form of sell. Selling and sells. Now beta, the helping verb is also attached with the subject. There is a subject and with are, which helping verb will come? Selling. आप जानते हैं ना कंटिन्यूस की क्या सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आर सेल्स, sold, selling. Now sold is the third form of sell. Selling and sells. Now beta, the helping verb is also attached with the subject. There is a subject and with are, which helping verb will come? Selling. आप जानते हैं ना कंटिन्यूस की क्या सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ING. तो सब्जेक्ट मौजूद है दे, हेल्पिंग वर्ब आर मौजूद है और आर के साथ क्या लगेगा? सेल्स नहीं आएगा. नॉट सोल्ड विल कम्स. द लास्ट सेलिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नंबर थर्ड, आई हैव डैश द बॉल्स. काउंट, काउंटिंग, काउंटेड, काउंटेड. नाउ दैट्स entirely different sentence. I have is a perfect form, hello, present perfect tense. Why perfect? Because has or have is added. So along with has or have, always third form of verb should come. Not count, not counted, but the correct answer should be counted. COUNTED, counted. I have counted the balls. They dash the rest. They dash the rest. Took, taking is taking. They dash the rest. They dash the rest. बेटा what is the correct answer? They dash the rest. Not is taking. Obviously they जो है plural है तो is taking नहीं आएगा. Taking भी नहीं होगा because no helping verb is along with they. So took will be the correct answer. So this is a past indefinite, simple past indefinite sentence. They took the rest. Number 5, we were dash the train. Stop, stops, stopping. Now we के साथ क्या है? Helping verb. So this sentence is past continuous because the helping verbs of past continuous are was or were. Was or were होते हैं ना बेटा past continuous के helping verbs. So we were dash the train, we were stopping the train. A stop is the first form and when we add ing it becomes stopping. So stopping is the correct option. We were stopping the train. She has dash the door. She has के साथ क्या आएगी? थर्ड फॉर्म. She has pushed the door. Okay beta, I have explained you up till 6. Now you have to do 7 till 10 by your own. I hope you all have understood. Beta, this is our today's class work and you have to make it complete in your English grammar or English B copies. Okay, inshallah ta'ala we'll join you in the next class.